Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe.
So today we are making a delicious loaded cornbread.
And let me show you everything you're gonna need for this recipe. This recipe actually came from the Better Homes and Garden magazine, but grab a bowl for mixing. You're gonna take about a cup of cheese. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 package of cornbread mix, about 8.5 ounces. You're also going to need 3 tablespoons of honey. You're gonna take about 10 slices of hickory smoked bacon and cook it really good and chop it up just like this. And then you're also gonna take about a half of a yellow onion. We had a larger onion, so we only used half. It just depends on how big your onion is. And then you need about a cup of jalapeños sliced, but we used a bigger jalapeno, so this is what it came out to. And we're just kind of winging it. We measure with love around here, and a cast iron skillet will work best, of course.
So first thing you need to do is preheat your oven at 375 degrees.
And then you want to stick your cast iron skillet in the oven and let it get hot while you're cooking all of the other ingredients.
So once your bacon is cooked, you're going to pour your batter into your mixing bowl. So now you're going to prepare your cornbread batter
according to packaging.
So now you're going to pour your cheese in there.
And then you mix this together. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and saute these jalapenos and onions together until they're caramelized on medium-low heat.
Chef Rooster. Rooster.
Oh, I thought you were about to do the cock-a-doodle-doo.
No, we don't do that. That's only for you.
That's right, baby.
Daddy baby, ain't you? Yeah, sweet girl. You don't can the camera.
Being bashful.
Yeah, I don't want to be on camera right now.
All right, when your jalapenos and onions look like this, they are about done.
So now you're going to evenly distribute your bacon, onions, and jalapenos. It's going to be a little difficult to distribute evenly, but you try your best. That looks good.
Looks like we got a little bit more bacon than veggies, didn't we?
Yeah, it'll be okay.
Don't mind if I do. All right, we've got everything evenly distributed, as you can see.
So now you're going to add your cornbread mixture.
With your cheese and all the good stuff. And spread it on the bottom. Oh, that looks like scrambled eggs.
Well.
Don't touch that, that's hot.
Yeah, no. I'll use this.
Rooster's recipe, uh-huh.
Well, Rooster's recipe.
All right, where are you going with that?
We're going in the oven. You're gonna put this in the oven.
Probably about 15 minutes I check on it, maybe even more often, and then we're gonna add some yummy deliciousness topping. All right, so we wanna make our topping, which is gonna be like a little glaze with the honey and the butter. So we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of honey, but we're gonna melt the butter first. All right, so we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of honey, and I'm going to eyeball this as well.
So now you're going to take your honey and butter and baste the top of your cornbread.
After we finish basting it with this honey butter, we are going to stick it back in the oven for just maybe 3 more minutes, if that. But we want to get it really nicely good and coated.
So now you're going to put it back in the oven.
All right, it's been in about 3 to 4 minutes, and this is your finished product. And that is what you call loaded cornbread. All right, so I'm like sitting in Rooster's lap because he is so tall. We cannot get the tripod to work for both of us at the same time. But I hope you enjoyed this loaded cornbread recipe. This is the only recipe you will ever need, even if you don't like jalapenos. Leave them out. They're still so delicious.
Delicious. And if you like our channel, give us a thumbs up and also hit that red subscribe button.
Red subscribe button. I put them in the corner. See you guys next time. Bye.